How to update iPhone to iOS 27 beta. First, let's return back to the home screen. From the home screen, go into Settings, then go down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. Then tap on Beta Updates, and here select iOS 27 Developer Beta. Now, if you do not see this option showing in the list, make sure you restart your iPhone and make sure you enroll in the beta program. Okay, so what is the major update with iOS 27? You get the new Siri AI. This is a much smarter AI assistant built with the expanded intelligence. Then you got talk naturally. You can type or talk to Siri AI in a completely natural way. Here we've got AI photo editing, new easy to use tools that let you completely transform your pictures. You also get the Siri mode in camera. This lets you start a visual search right inside your camera viewfinder. And the next one is the child safety. Now these are new intuitive safety features for families. And then finally you got the overall OS improvements. A large set of system updates makes your iPhone feel much more responsive. It fixes and speeds up things like memory usage, search, and screen rendering. Okay, so give it a go and see how you go with the update. Thank you for watching this video.